gulo. We're not here para dagdagan pa ang problema ng Pilipino. We're here para yung hindi maayos, ayusin. So until we have true repentance and true reforms, corruption will continue at the highest levels. I was sad because I've been saying this for 3 weeks. I've been saying independent investigation because I do believe the President is being given wrong information. So nung sinabi niya yung barilan, paulit-ulit sinasabi ng NBI at DOJ, wala sa Senate. We have evidence, so mapipilitan kami na i-hearing din yan. So the Committee on Public Order will hear, will get to the bottom of this, will bring the NBI, the DOJ, PNP, DILG, lahat ng nag-iimbestiga, sabay-sabay na kami nag-iimbestigahan lahat. No? So I want you to understand that the rule about voting is tied to the control. So totoo, 13 ang kailangan para mapalitan ng SP. Pero ang magpapatawag po ng hearings ay yung chairperson. So isang strategy po ngayon ng 11, kaya napansin niyo po every weekend, sila ang gumagawa ng sinasabi nila, may babaliktad, may sasama na sa kanila, may nag-iisip. Alam niyo po ang kudeta, ang isang essential element po dyan ay stealth o kaya yung tahimik, ibubulaga ka, magugulat ka. Diba? So bakit sila maingay about it? One is to try to create distrust among the 13. Secondly is to create pressure. And number 3, bakit nila predict? May uhulihin dyan, may arrestuhin, kaya okay. Because may mga kakampi sila sa kabinete. That's very clear, no? So my point is this, no? One of their intent is to not allow the electronic or teleconferencing or any kind of online voting para pag sila majority sa floor, aagawin nila yung mga committee. At pag naagaw yung mga committee, sila na naman magdidikta ngayon kung anong pwede hearing o hindi. Nakita nyo po na inaalok namin ang committee, they can read their members anytime. So nagugulat lang ako kay let's say kay Senator Erwin, paulit-ulit na wala daw napasa during my time, mabagal, etc. Pero nandiyan na yung mga malalaking committee, hindi sila nagpapalista as members. Dati nag-uunahan pa. So, I'll try not to make as much comments regarding the senators because I do believe when you're Senate President, the whole Senate. I can make a list para kontra yung sinabi ni Senator Lacson of bending backwards. Sila bending the law, bending the rules. Ako bending backwards. Lahat ng request nila, hindi ko na isa-isa yan.